So the biggest mistake when it comes to training shoulders, I don't know if it comes from back in the 80s when they taught aerobics instructors and aerobics instructors taught people, and then people went to the gym and never bothered to research, but they told them back in those days to stop at the ears. That was always a common theme. Stop at the ears, got to stop at the ears, can't go lower than the ears. But that's not what you want to do. What you want to do is bring it down to the shoulders. Guess what? Shoulder press, doing it to the shoulders. Amazing, right? But you want to squeeze your shoulder blades right here. You've got to use your back. So right now, as I pull my arms down, I'm actually squeezing my shoulder blades. Now I'm going to keep them tight as I raise. That way the arms won't go all the way straight. I'll have more of the tension in my shoulders, and I'll be using the back to help stabilize the shoulders. And that's what your back does. It stabilizes your shoulders. That's why your rotator cuff muscles are all part of your back. And we can see here how the shoulder and back work together. And when we peel away the layers of the back muscles, we see the ones that help the shoulders function. So which is better, dumbbells or barbells? So the same thing holds true whether you're using dumbbells or barbells. Handy dandy barbell. So even with a barbell, you want to bring it up, keep your chest high, your elbows down, squeezing your shoulder blades together. And there is a big difference between squeezing through the back versus not. You see how automatically I'm rounded forward? This is putting too much stress on my shoulders. Here, I'm squeezing the shoulder blades. That way, when I go up and keep those shoulder blades tight, they're stabilizing the shoulder. And right here, I'm squeezing the back. So yes, it does take a lot more concentration and focus when you're using the barbell, but by far it's worth it. And it's always your weak links that are the things most likely to get injured. And in this case, it's the rotator cuff and the shoulders. So anything you can do to work them in conjunction with each other, because they are made to support each other, is going to help you, benefit you, and keep you pain-free. So the biggest mistake is not doing a full range of motion when you're doing shoulder press. So back and shoulders work together. Make sure you feel them that way when you're training them. Now, the other thing is if you are using your back, you're using a larger muscle. You're going to be burning more calories than just working a shoulder by itself, which obviously is a smaller muscle group. So there's a big difference between my hands staying in this position versus my hands dropping out here or maybe caving in here. And these are all things I've seen people do. A lot of outtakes on this one. Almost had it. Wait, no. But it's definitely, whoops. Wait.